keep the GO trains running safely, Metrolinx has 2 maintenance facilities servicing the entire fleet, with a brand new 3rd facility in Whitby opening in the fall. These yards are used to park, service, fuel, clean, and maintain GO's commuter trains. Here, we'll show you what goes on inside these yards on a daily basis. After its morning commute, the crew will bring the train, known as the consist, into Willowbrook's yard from the main line. The consist is turned over to a rail equipment operator, or REO, who is certified to operate the trains in the yard. The REO brings the consist into the fueling station, where a yard worker then enters the locomotive number into the controller, which calculates the amount of fuel required. Once fueling is complete, the REO takes the train to the canopy for inspections. This particular consist is scheduled for washing. The consist wash was built in 2002, runs at the west end of the yard, and is accessed by a runaround track on the north and south sides of the yard. Here, the operator inputs the consist number into the system. The train is brought to the entrance and goes through the wash at 1 mile an hour or 1.6 kilometers, followed by a set of dryers, just like a car wash. The consist is slowly pulled out and brought to the canopy for the rest of the inspection. Here, the locomotive's engine is shut down. Mechanics hook up ground air hoses and wayside power cables. Wayside power provides 575 volts of power to the train so that testing can be done on the air conditioning, doors, lighting systems, and brakes. Locomotives and cars scheduled for larger repairs of maintenance work, like brake changeout or air conditioning fixes, will be brought to the Preventative Maintenance Bay, or PM Bay, inside the facility. Every GO train consist is on a 2-week service and maintenance schedule that is completed inside the PM Bay. The consist will get a complete bottom deck inspection, interior inspection, door check, and HVAC inspection. On this coach, the HVAC unit is being replaced. It provides heating, ventilation, and air conditioning to the coach. Located in the roof, the access panel is removed and the unit is lifted from the ground by an overhead crane and carefully installed by 2 workers. At the opposite end of the building is the diesel shop where the locomotives are serviced. Most have 2 engines, one smaller engine called the head end power, or HEP, located at the rear of the locomotive, which provides electric power to the lights and HVAC. The larger engine in the middle of the loco is a 4,000 horsepower 16-cylinder diesel engine that provides power to the wheels. There are 4 axles per locomotive, each with their own electric traction motor. Once the maintenance work is complete, the train sits in the storage yard waiting to be dispatched for the afternoon rush. These maintenance facilities and their workers are the backbone of the GO Transit fleet. They keep 78 locomotives and 796 coaches safe and reliable for the millions of customers in the GTHA who rely on GO Transit every day.